Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy attainable holiday look, but with just enough uniqueness that you feel holidayed up and different and special. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to make all of my videos from now on 5 minutes or less so that you can watch them quick and easy and just get the tips that you need so you don't have to worry about the beauty piece in your life as a busy mom. I was inspired for this holiday look by one of my favorite actresses, Drew Barrymore. Okay, here we go. To prep, I did brows, moisturized, foundation, and concealer. This is Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge Cream Blush in Rose. And I'm going to just put it in the apples of my cheeks and make my cheeks look really rosy. The picture had her cheeks looking really, really rosy and like winter flush skin, which I love in the winter. Next, I found this purpley gray shade in my Beautycounter palette, but you can use any palette, just a similar shade. This is a pretty basic eyeshadow brush, but if you don't have one, it's okay. You can still use your finger and just put the eyeshadow all along the lower part of your lid, not really going up above the crease, and put it on any way you like. It doesn't have to be super neat at this step. I'm just trying to get the color semi-even and all across the lower portion of my lid. Now for the other eye, and you can just put it on there. It looks kind of crazy right now, but it doesn't have to be neat. It will all come together at the end, I swear to you. Blender brush, get one. Okay, here I'm doing a windshield wiper motions. That's what people call this. Really fast. Well, it's in super speed right now, but just to blend all over the eyelids and make sure the color kind of buffs out towards the brow. And then I'm using my finger too. So you can really use your hand to blend and buff out and have that ombre look. You want to have that ombre look from the bottom of your lash line up towards your brow and just keep blending till you get it to look even and smooth and nice. Okay, this brush is called a pencil brush. It's actually not a basic, but it is great for lining the lower lash line, and that's what I'm going to use it here for. Just putting a little of that same eyeshadow color underneath the lashes. But look, you can also use a Q-tip. Just put the color on a Q-tip and you can use it just like a pencil brush or a precision brush to get under the lash line. Fun glitter part with gold glitter. This is another Beautycounter palette with a very shimmery color. And I use my finger to just press that glitter on the lower part of your lid all over from side to side. I try to make it pretty even. I kind of got a little messy in this part. Oops. I will just fix it with this next color coming right up. This is a cream shimmery shade by the Beautycounter palette, and I'm going to put it on my finger also, and then just dab it and pat it in the corner of my eye, the inner corner of my eye, and blend over. So pat on the inner corner of your eye and blend over towards the middle part of your eye, not going all the way. Okay, this is a violet eyeliner, and you probably don't have it. This is not really a basic step, but for a holiday look, I love a lined waterline. So you could use black if you have it. Just line very gently on that little part of your eyelid. It's called the waterline. And then also put a little bit of eyeliner in the corner, kind of swooping up. This is not an essential part. If you want to skip it, you can. Now for the red lipstick, and this is my new favorite red lipstick. It's a classic Dior 999. It's one of their classic reds. It's so beautiful. It works on so many people, and it's just so smooth and creamy and buttery, and it doesn't dry out your skin. This is the Dior 999 pencil to match, and I love also this lip liner. It's also very smooth and buttery and goes on so easy. I like to line my lips when I'm doing a bold look because I have smaller lips, and this helps define and just create a slightly bigger lip for my tiny lips. And I do little tiny circle motions so it looks natural. That's how I make the line. Woohoo, yeah, red lip. Okay, this, you guys, might be my new favorite lip product. I think it's called Chanel Coco Rouge, and it's like an opaque, liquidy gloss, but it doesn't look glossy like see-through glossy. It's like shimmery. I mean, it's awesome. Look at that. You gotta get it. Uh-oh, I forgot my eyes. Okay, I usually do my mascara before my lips, but I'm just gonna curl lashes. You gotta get a curler. If you're over 40, get an eyelash curler. and then do your mascara. Have it on speed dial right now again, but just keep doing your mascara, upper lash and low lash. Pile it on for the holidays. Get that mascara on. It will make such a difference. Ooh, there you go, everybody. Holiday look. Do I look like Drew Barrymore? Woohoo, woohoo. Oh, yeah. Go to your holiday party. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Okay, now I am taking my hair out. I slept in these French braids last night. If you don't know how to French braid, let me know and I'll show you on another tutorial. Just getting it beachy like that Drew look from the picture. Oh yeah. I just took my braids out. My hair looks really wavy and different. For me, this is so different. So that's why I feel like the hair just adds a pop to this look. And Drew had on some big hoop earrings. So if you have hoop earrings, I would do it. And then a cream colored shirt or a cream colored dress or something neutral would look really good with a bright red lip. Oh, and a finishing touch, if you have anything like this for the holidays, I think it's really fun to do some kind of highlighter on the cheekbone. And this is called Living Luminizer. It's by RMS Beauty. It's a green beauty brand and super, super clean ingredients. If you are over 40, it is best to use a cream highlighter so the powder doesn't cake in your lines. That is the look today. I hope you liked it. I think that you can definitely do this and go out and have a super fun, pretty time at your holiday party.